Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got this real as can be baby and I'm going to be reviewing this to you guys. So she is super cute. She has 80 expressions, movements and real baby sounds, and she is, I think she's still new. I think she's actually new. No, I think she's not. Wait, I think she still is new. So she reacts to her bottle and pacifier. When you talk, I babble back. And she comes with a bib and a little cute little hat, and her bottle, obviously you obviously can't feed her, so it's fake, and her pacifier is so cute. And here she is. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys, because she's the one I wanted for ages. So and you care for her like your own baby. Rock me, I fall asleep, and call to me, I turn to you. Oh, she's so cute. Tickle me, I want wiggle and giggle. She is so cute, and she is adorable. So there she is. Oh, she's so cute. Her eyes closed. She is just adorable. Look at her little blanket. Oh, it's so adorable. I wish this was a real bed, but obviously it's not. But I love the box. So let's turn this around because I think her box is really cute. Oh my god, guys, this is her box. So they also had a price tag, but I just ripped the price tag off because I didn't want to show you guys. So she has so many sweet moments to share, and she's super cute. Call to me, I turn to you, give me a bottle, soothe me with a pacifier, help me blow cute kisses, gently pat. I don't burp. That is so funny, burp. This is so adorable. Oh my god. Also, I've got some scissors because I'm going to be opening this doll. She's super cute, guys. Wait a second, let's just open her. She's still coming. Oh my gosh, guys, she's super cute. I'm so excited to open her, so hopefully I don't need any help. Hopefully these will work, because hopefully they're like, you know, big enough to open, because I'm super excited. I wish this is a real bed, but it's not. She's super cute. I also have a right name for her to call her. I already know what name I can call her. And I'm not gonna tell you guys just now. I'm gonna tell you guys in the next video when I'm gonna show her. So she's super cute. So let's get her unboxed. I already kind of got her a little bit opened, but I'm gonna be finishing off the rest of the part, like getting it kind of open. Like that was the hard part. So like the top was really hard, but now we need to get her out. So we got some scissors here, and I'm gonna be trying to get her out. So let's get her out. She's really cute. Okay, I think what we do is cut. So I'm gonna cut this. Oh, we did. Okay, let's see the pacifier. Okay, guys. So this pacifier is super cute. Oh my god. So this is a pacifier. It's super cute. It's this baby alive pacifier on it. It's super cute. So cut the baby. Oh my god. Hopefully she doesn't break. I know she's not gonna break, but why am I saying? You know, I'm not a professional. Oh yeah. Oh, we did it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I forgot to cut this. Just cut this because, you know, she might. Hang on. Well, it's just. Oh, she's like, yeah. This is it. Okay, we did it. Oh, she's like, yeah, can you see her? Oh, look at that. Yeah. I know she's not gonna break my mess again. Okay. Hopefully we don't cut her close, because that's gonna be a little bit of a shame. Oh, we cut it over here. Yeah. Okay, we did it. Whoops. That was a big one. Whoa. We cut her leg. Now what do we do? I think we just get her out. Oh no, we cut her not finished yet. We cut that part and now we're ready to get her out. Come on. Whoa. Oh my god, guys. She's so cute. Wow. Oh my god. Look, she moves her head. This is so cute. Oh, we're going to take that out. Hello. She's so cute. Oh my god. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. Obviously, you can change her. Oh my god, guys. I'm feeling her mouth right now. She's so, like, her face is so soft. She's like kind of like the Snack and Sarah, a little bit. The mouth is kind of like the Snack and Sarah's mouth. Same as her face. She's like got a really soft face. She's like really cute. Okay. Now, let's get the bottle open. So we're going to leave her there. We're going to get you, we're going to play you after. So we just need to, oh, she's being silly. Okay, like that. We are going to be, get the bottle out. Oh, the bottle out. See, the bottle there. Also, let's put the pacifier there. Oh, and also let's put the blanket there. Oh, you don't even need to cut this. You can just pop it. Oh, sorry, guys. You can just pop it. Oh, you don't even need to cut it. This is so cool. You guys probably can't really see me. It's okay. And I'm just going to get the scissors and kind of get in there. Cut that. Oh, you don't even need to cut it. I don't even need to cut it. You just take it off like that. You don't even need to cut it. Just get you up. She's falling. Can you stop falling, please? You're being annoying. Okay, whoa. Get this out. Sorry. Stop falling. Okay. I'm done. So I got her out of the box and here she is. She is so cute. Look at her big blue eyes. So cute. Oh my god, she's so lifelike. Can you talk? Put the switch on. Hang on. I'm sure there's a switch. Here, I'm sure you can open her up and there's a switch. Because I want to see her talk. I'm sure there's a switch somewhere. Oh, in here. Yeah, in here. Open that part and look, she talks. So she is talking. And oh my god, guys, she's talking. This is so adorable. Okay, let's see if she wants to have a little bit of a drink. Okay. Stop turning your head away and give me a drink. Bottle. Stop that. Oh my god, guys, she's not even. Stop turning her head away. She's so cute. Okay. See if she wants to. I think she wants to turn her head away. Stop turning her head away. Oh my god, she's so cute. Okay, let's. Press it again. She's so cute, guys. Well, I think she'd like to hold a little bit of her blanket. You want to hold the blanket? She's so cute. She wants to hold her blanket. Yeah, let's just give her a blanket. Okay. Mommy. Oh, it's so cute, guys. Oh, she's crying. Oh, your mommy. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, don't cry. She's so cute. A bottle here, I'll take you out. You can talk a little while. She loves turning her head away, guys. Okay. No, you can't take that off, I think. Okay, I think we're gonna. Oh, look at her. This is so funny. Guys, it's so cute. Burp here. Burp. Wanna burp now? She's so cute. Wanna burp? Coughing? Coughing or is that a burp? I don't know. She's cute. Okay. I've also got a little bit of a special outfit for you. So, probably gonna, hang on, we're probably gonna try the hat on and see if that kind of fits. Tried the hat on. She looks super cute. Yeah, you're super cute, right? I think she. What's that burp? Gonna burp? Two. Yeah, let's burp. Burp. Or is that a cough? I'm not sure. It's okay. She's so cute. I'm guessing she's probably the best one of the best baby lives. As a change, so I think she's happy about having a little bit of nap. I think she is. But I'm gonna go change, so is this outfit too big for you? Hopefully it's not, because I thought like usually the big outfits fit these dolls, I'm pretty sure, because that's what I watched the videos and I think that's what they said. These big outfits fit. It's good. So won't need to have any troubles. Yeah, so that's good. You put the bottom up like that. So she is holding a little blankie. I think we're ready to take her to bed. So Binky? I think she does. Yeah, I think she's saying goo gaga. Yeah, you do want to go to bed, okay? I think she's gonna leave it from there, guys. She's gonna go to bed now. Oh, I think she's crying. Okay, let's go to bed. She's upset because she wants a little nap. Okay, let's get to bed. I was gonna be over here. So we are about to change. It's okay. You're going to bed. She's being a little bit of a sulk right now, but it's okay. So it's okay. You're going to bed in a minute. Mom is just gonna change your. She's gonna put her covers on and gonna go to bed, okay? It's okay. Don't cry. She's a little bit of a whinger, guys. Okay. Can now go into bed. It's okay. So we've got this cool rainbow dash light. You like rainbow dash? She doesn't know, but I think it's cute. Look, a rainbow dash light. Do you like that? I think she just wants to go to bed. Also, got your little lammy. I think she likes her blankie more. Okay. In bed. Just get your covers ready. Actually, you know what? Let's just put you in like that, yeah. And let's put pillow beside and your little thing there. Ooh. Now you can put your binky on. Do not whinge, okay? Okay, I think she's too big for this bed. Okay, do you want a blankie? I think we're gonna. She wants her blankie. What we're gonna do is get her. I'm gonna put her leggings. She wants her leggings. Yeah, she does. Yeah, you're right. I don't think she needs this lammy. Yes. And we're also, I think, gonna. I think that's okay. Okay, now I just want to make sure it's secure. And she can go to bed. So I think she's kind of sleepy. So I'm gonna let her snooze and go to bed. So I think we're gonna put the light over here. Remember that light? Yeah. We're gonna put it over there. She is asleep now. So what we're gonna do is put a little drink. She might need it. So put the rapid light. And she's gonna go to sleep. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, turn on notification bell so you get notified whenever I post, and in the comments below let me know if you would like to buy this doll and if you like it. And bye everyone.